Okay, here are the teas that we use on a regular basis. I'm just going to go one by one. And I have over here is the organic spicy ginger from Tazo. So these are all tea bags. Usually I make my own ginger tea. If you have not checked out my herbal tea recipes, please do check them out. Those are very, very informative and has helped a lot of people, a lot of my viewers. And over here is the pure peppermint tea. If you have peppermint leaf at home, it's the best way to do it. But since I don't grow it at my home, I have this herbal tea from Tunings. And over here is the chamomile tea, organic chamomile, and I have a recipe for that as well. For insomniac people, we have the Nighty Night, and this has really been a lifesaver for me. Because of my thyroid, I have sleep issues, but this has really, really helped in the beginning years. And I have another one from Yogi brand. This is a brand that I really trust, and it's for the bedtime. And it supports a good night's sleep. That's what it says, but it's caffeine free, of course, and it has like a lot of good ingredients. So I'm gonna get it closer and read it to you guys. It has organic passion flower, organic valerian root extract, blend of herbs, which is licorice root, chamomile flower, spearmint leaf, skullcap. This is a Chinese skullcap leaf, cardamom, and it has cinnamon bark, rose hip, lavender flower, and it has stevia leaf just to add on some sweetness. And this is one of my favorite prebiotic tea. It is a licorice root tea, and please stay tuned for my future videos for this licorice root tea, and I'm going to share a lot of health benefits that's going to impact you in a very positive way. So stay tuned on that. And the last one is one of my favorite Indian tea. I drink black tea, and a lot of Indians and Asians love this tea. And if you have never tried this, this is another good brand of Indian tea. But the only problem is it has caffeine. All these other teas that I shared are organic and caffeine free, but this one has caffeine if you are in need for caffeine, and you can add some cardamom and you can definitely brew this tea. This is my another brand that I use, and I love green tea, especially in the mornings. It's called the Twinings brand. The last one is the roasted dandelion root, and I can't even begin to tell you the number of benefits of this roasted dandelion roots. Okay, let's start with the powders. So I have the clove powder, and this is a cinnamon powder, and behind that I have the elaichi and the fenugreek powder. So for our masala needs, over here I have mixed all of my masala items. So the first one you see is a bay leaf, and I have the star anise filled with bay leaf, star anise, cloves, and cinnamon, and you saw the poppy seeds and the whole thing. Over here I have the nutmeg powder, another brand for the coarse ground black pepper. This is also from Costco, as you can see, from Kirkland brand. And the next one I have over here is from Whole Foods. This is you can also buy all these from Amazon as well. This is organic oregano leaves, and I add a lot of herbs to my masala. So this is one of those. These are some extra cloves that I have saved. Okay, now more for your spice needs. Like I mentioned about, this is the red chili, the dried red chili whole. And we also get it in powder form, which I showed you guys. This is just the company that I use, the Archie chili powder. But the best thing is to open them and put it in your mason jars and store airtight. And the other one we have over here is another brand of Swad premium chili powder. There is another one called Kashmiri chili, which is very, very spicy, so watch out for that.